beings have been making objects from metal for many centuries. They have been heating metals and then shaping them to create anything from knives to decorative pieces and parts of machines. This small forge in Cape Town makes beautiful metal objects for use in homes, offices, and shops. Working with high temperature metals and fires, the first thing the forge press worker does when he arrives at work is a safety check. Firstly, he checks his own safety gear. Next, he checks that nothing is obstructing the furnace. If he's using gas for the fire, he needs to make sure that there are no leaks. Now he is ready to look at the work orders for the day and get the materials ready. The metal will be heated in a high temperature fire so that it becomes softer. While waiting for the metals to heat up, the forging press worker sets up the forging machine. This requires him to attach molds and dies and to set the drop hammer to the correct depth. Once the metal is hot enough, he will make a sample to check that the machine is set up correctly. Now he's ready to produce a number of identical pieces of metal. The press flattens, straightens, and strengthens the metal. He manipulates the hammer with the lever. The work is repetitive, and he should enjoy working with his hands. He needs to be physically strong and able to work in uncomfortable conditions such as heat and loud noise. The forging press worker will need to understand how the different types of metals respond to heat and pressure. He will need to know when the metal needs reheating and might need to trim and refine the finished forgings. This requires him to use a variety of tools. He needs to be practical and focused and enjoy problem solving. Throughout the process, he has to observe the forging machine and make adjustments when needed. If anything goes wrong, he has to make repairs to the machine, replacing parts and fix dies. He will also need to sharpen and cut tools and drill bits using a bench grinder. While training is mostly done on the job, some training in metalwork is an advantage. A forging press worker can work in the automotive or any other metal industry. Forging metal with heat strengthens it. The satisfaction is therefore in making quality products that are extremely strong and can last for a long time.